The conditional if. This is a way of expressing conditions. As always, we have some specific rules that help us build sentences using the conditional if. There are three main rules that I want to speak of. Let's take a look at the scheme. If we have a present clause, for instance, if you learn, in the second part of the sentence, we have to use future. You will pass. So future after a present reference. If we have a past reference, such as, if I were rich, in the second part we use would, plus verb in the short infinitive. I would buy an island. We use would as in the first clause. We have a past reference, and it would be wrong, grammatically speaking, to use will after a past reference. And the third case, if we have past perfect in the first clause. If I had been rich, in the second clause we must use would, plus have, plus verb in the third form. I would have bought the island. If I had been rich, I would have bought the island. Well, this was a very short lesson, but I hope that it will help you use the conditional if. Remember to take notes and watch the video again if you have any questions. See you at our next lesson.